Okay, here we are in Acadia, Maine National Park. This is our new clam. It's pretty good, although we could use some sides because it rained last night and everything got pretty soaked, but we survived. Moving on. Oh, here's a little campsite that was provided by the Park Service. And here's our fire. It's finally going, but it's been raining for like 2 days, so we've had to work at it. And here we go. Oh, there's my husband. I love him so much. Hi, Greg. Say hi.
Hi, Tracy.
So we put up this tent, this tarp, last night, which was a great idea, inspired by you, P.S. Luke. Just gotta say, you know, you're a smart cookie. You're cute and everything, but... So we did this, and we put our e-bikes underneath it, and we put our firewood to keep it dry. And actually, everything under the tarp stayed dry for the night.
Which is the only thing that's dry.
It's the only thing that's dry. P.S. Everything else is wet. So there's our tent. I'm gonna walk down there. Hopefully I won't fall. So today we hiked some cliffs, which were really nice, kind of treacherous because it had rained, but it was great, and we can post the footage later. So here is our Coleman tent, and it is great. We slept in it last night, and it was awesome. We're on a platform, first time on a platform. It was great. Did not get wet. Was snuggly and dry, with the exception of the entranceway, which everybody knows is, you know, it can be mucky and sandy and all of that. I'm sorry if I gotta walk up the thing. Okay, so here we are. So that's our tent. It was great. And the platform was great, but I would say, I don't know, maybe a different site would have been better. This was the only one available, and it was okay, and we made do, and we had a lot of fun. And there's our Jeep, and there's my husband. Love him a lot. Look at him, isn't he super cute? Yeah, that's what I think too. So we wanted to send you this video. I don't know if you're gonna do anything with it, but you know,
Appreciate your channel.
we appreciate your channel. We watch it. You know, Luke, you are super happy all the time. All the time. And I'm a nurse, and Greg's an air traffic controller, and there are some days that we are not grateful, and you make us sort of rethink things, and we just want you to know that we're thankful for you, okay? So, I don't know how to turn the video around to... Greg, do you know how to turn the video around so we can...
I think that's it. You're done.
You can't turn it around?
Just turn the camera around.
Okay, so I'm guessing, wow, that maybe is way too close up. So if you can see this, thanks. We'll see you later. Bye.